saw his glory, and we saw Jah glory. Jah Jah is full of grace and truth. Word as an inspiration,
is an education,
sound as a real vibration,
is a real weapon,
power as a good donation,
is an edification.
To the spoken word, Babylon tried to bring us down, but word, sound and power, Jah made it higher. Word, sound and power, so keep it higher for the nation of the good ones. Higher for the nation of the good ones. And when I try to read between the lines, I see nothing else. It's because it's so clear, it's so clear, it's so clear, the verb is so clear. We can chant the word but not the prophecy. They crucify the Christ, but his verb still remains. They crucify the Christ, but his love still remains. Jah made it higher. Oh, no, 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 no. Higher. Oh, no, 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 no. Word, sound and power, Jah made it higher. Word, sound and power, so keep it higher for the nation of the good ones. Higher for the nation of the good ones. The web system vibes of Rastafari. It's like a plantation of fruitful seeds for the collective edification in Almighty, a land of milk and honey for the good ones, a promise for the good man, a promise for the God man. So keep it higher. Oh, no, 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 no. Higher. Oh, no, 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 no. Higher. Higher.
Yes, sir.